morning, children. I hope you all have done your previous homework. Now, children, today in this session, children, we are going to learn about the properties of addition, children. In this session, children, we'll do the sum related to the properties of addition and estimated sum. Okay, so let's move on to properties of addition, children. Okay, so first see this example, children. Property number 1. Okay, so let us add numbers 2729 and 1692. Okay, so when we add 2729 and 1692, we'll get 4421. Similarly, here also, children, look here, 1692 plus 2729. Again, we'll get 4421. Children, as you see in these numbers, the numbers are same. Which we add, they are same. And we'll get the sum of these numbers. And here also the numbers are same, but the order is changed. Okay, first we write, here we have written 2729. And in this student we have written 1692. So the order is changed, but the numbers are same. And we'll get the same sum or the total sum. Got it? So we can change, children, the order of two numbers when finding their sum. Okay, we can add first number plus second number, then we can add second number plus one number. Okay, so we'll get the total sum of the numbers. So here also, if A and B is added to any numbers, then we can write A plus B, or we can write B plus A. Okay, now we'll move on to property 2. So children, let's add 2167, 1384 and 3295. So children, here we are going to add three numbers. Okay, so first see here we have written 2167 plus 1384, children. Okay, in the bracket, and out of the bracket we have written 3295. Okay, and here, children, we have written 2167 out of the bracket, and in the bracket we have written 1384 plus 3295, children. Okay, then we have added these sums, that the total sum of this bracket is 3551, and we add this number 3295 to this number. Okay, and we'll get the total sum, that is 6846. Here, children, again we have added these numbers which are in bracket, that is 1384 plus 3295, and we'll get 4679, and then we add this number to this number. Okay, and we'll get the total sum, that is 6846. So children, you have seen that the total sum of this number and the total sum of this number both are same. Okay, but we have changed the order. Okay, so we can change the grouping of these numbers when finding the sum also. We can add first number plus second number in the bracket, and we'll write outside the bracket third number, or we can take first number outside the bracket and we add two number plus third number in the bracket. Okay, so we'll add here also, if A and B and C are any three numbers, then again we'll do A plus B in the bracket plus C is equal to A outside and B plus C inside bracket. Okay, got it, children? Property number 3. So let us add 1162 and 0. Here 1162 plus 0, we'll get the same number. Okay, again here 0 plus 1162, we'll get 1162, same number, children. So I told you earlier, children, also that any number which is added to 0 will get the same number. Okay, then again, if any number added to 0 or 0 is added to any number, then we'll get the same number or the number itself. Okay, so in this way we'll add the numbers. Let us move on to exercise 2.5. Okay, so here fill in the blanks, children. Here 2152 plus 4252, sorry, 58. Now it is equal to, again we have written here 2152, then we'll write here 4258. Okay, children. Then here also same number 4219 plus 3363, it is equal to, here right, 3363 plus 4219. So in this way, children, do rest of the sum of this exercise. Then we'll move on to the next topic, children, that is estimating sum. Okay, or the numbers do or round off to the nearest 10 or the 100 or the 1000. So see this example. In a warehouse, children, 4523 bags of rice were stored in first half. Okay, and 3487 bags of rice they were stored in the second half. Now let us estimate the total number of bags stored in the warehouse by rounding to nearest 10. Okay, so children, here in one hall the bags of rice were 4523, and in second hall the bags of rice were 3487. Okay, so we'll do these number or the total number by rounding to nearest 10. So here we're going to do, so 4523, it is round off to 4520. So I told you, children, when rounding off the numbers, we'll make the last number 1 digit number or the 2 tens number or the 100 number 0, and then we'll add plus 10 or plus 100 or plus. Okay, so here we have, because it is to nearest 10, so 3 is here, we'll make the 0, then we'll add 10. Okay, so it becomes 4520, and it becomes this number, it will get 3490. So by adding these two numbers, we'll get 8010. So the total number of bags, it is nearly 8010 bags in a warehouse. So it is estimated, it is not the exact value, children. Okay, we just assume that 8010 bags are there. It may be 8011, it may be 8000. Okay, so roundabout we have estimated that in the warehouse there are 8010 bags. Okay, so we can estimate some by rounding to nearest hundreds or nearest thousands also. So let's see the example number 10. So in this, children, we are going to round the numbers to nearest 100. Okay, so rounding off to nearest 100. So 3904, it is rounded to 3900. Again, we'll write 0 at ones place and at hundreds place, and then we'll add 100 to it. Okay, then we'll get the number. And 2888, it round off to get 2900. So estimated sum is 6800. Okay, so here to nearest 1000. Okay, so here example number 11, 4708 plus 3214, it is round to nearest 1000, so it becomes 5000. Okay, and this one becomes 3000. Okay, so the total number or the estimated sum is 8000. Got it, children? So we'll do exercise 2.6 in the same way. So let's see 2.6 exercise. Estimate the sum by rounding to nearest 10. So 2323 plus 4734. So it is estimated to, so 2320 and this one is also 4730. Okay, and then we'll add this number and we'll get the total number here. Okay, so in this way, children, do the other sums of this rounding of numbers. Okay, then we'll move on to assignment, children. Objective estimation assessment. Okay, assignment, sorry, multiple choice questions. Sum of the place value of the digit 7 in 4772 is, you have to write the place value, then sum of the predecessor and the successor of the smallest 4 digit number, then sum of 4123 and 2883 is, you write the total number, the sum of 1000, the total number. Okay, we will add. So do the addition sums or do the objective assignments, children, in your copy. Do these true and false in your copy, then fill in the blanks in your copy. Okay, then we'll move on to subjective assignments. Okay, children, the problem sums and the addition sums. So do all these sums, children, in your copy. So this chapter of addition is completed, children. Do all the sums in your copy and send your homework to the WhatsApp. So this is all for the today, children. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.